Thought I'd get a picture of Alexa with her hiccups and her daddy's princess shirt on. Aw, how cute is that? Aw, Alexa, do you have the hiccups? Those silly, nasty, bad hiccups? Oh, I know. It is not nice to have those, is it? Ooh, good gas. Yes, ma'am. Get that out of there. Oh, you feel better now? Might be needing to change diapers here pretty soon, baby girl. Hopefully you're not getting your daddy soaking wet. It wouldn't be the first time though, would it? No? Hi, Alexa. Hi. You gonna say hello? Say hello to all your fans out there? So there she is, Daddy's princess, hiccuping like crazy.
And farting.
And that's not just farting.
She is a princess indeed.
That's right. Princess in the poop.
She takes after her daddy in every way.
Bye, Alexa. We love you. We're going to have to go check that diaper out, aren't we?
Wow.
Bye-bye.